hopefully you've seen the PowerPoint on right-hand rules. I'm going to give you an example of right-hand rule number 1, and I'm going to use my handy-dandy right-hand rule glove. Notice my arrows. Right-hand rule number 1 states that my thumb is in the direction of the current in the wire, and my fingers wrap around that wire, and it shows you the direction of the magnetic field. So let's look to see how we do this if it was on paper. So here I have a whiteboard. Let's pretend this is my piece of paper. And I have a current carrying wire. And it says my current is going that way. Okay? So if this is my wire and my current's going that way, and right-hand rule number 1 says my thumb is in the same direction as current, see that arrow? I'm going to match it up to the direction on my paper. Then it says my fingers will wrap around my wire, and that will show me the direction of the magnetic field. Well, if I look, if this were my wire, I would have to wrap around. So at the top, if I'm on paper, at the top, I go into the page. And if you remember, into the page is X's. On the bottom, I wrap around, and you notice the points. Those are my arrow points. Those are dots. So I come out of the page on the bottom. Let's look at this example. This is my wire. It's a cross-section of wire, like a cross-section of the pen. And the X means that the current is going into the page. So that means my handy-dandy thumb, however you want to turn it, this way or this way, keep your hands stiff. Put my thumb into the page because that's my current. And look how my fingers wrap around. They go around clockwise. So there you have it. Right-hand rule number 1.